So this is the head scan replacement for SimBaby. Some tools you might need, it's a pair of needle nose pliers, end cutters or snips, and maybe a regular tool from you might find in the hospital. Also, baby powder will be helpful when getting the skin on. So when pulling the face off, we have 2 black pins here. I'm going to use a pair of end snips just to raise it up, get underneath it on the back side of it, and pull those up. You can also use the needle nose pliers for this. Just pry it up and come and bring it off. Don't worry about tearing anything at this point. The same thing for the other side. You might see that mine's torn here. I'm going to get them behind it and just raise it up. Take them right out. You will not be reusing those at all. You can throw those away. The skin, we're just going to stretch it around the head. So it's very easy to stretch this out, so don't worry about tearing it. Come around the back side and then around the front of the jaw there. And this is removed. The new one, the bag, all the stuffing out of there. I'm going to put a little baby powder on the inside of this. I'm going to turn it inside out. Throw these old pins away. I'm going to cover it with some baby powder. Again, you're supposed to be using a mask. I'm using baby powder now. So make sure you do that for safety. Baby powder in. Turn it back inside out. Now I'm going to stretch the bottom side here. I'm just going to roll it over the top of the head. And again, don't worry about tearing it because it can stretch out quite a bit. So work it back and forth until we get in the right position. Make sure it's over the mouth. Pull the eyes down. Pull the skin down to the neck area. Just going to work it back and forth until I have it around that round ring that's in the neck area. Now I'm going to line up my spots where the push pin will go. And there, I found it there. Now I'm going to I'll take this new one here, and I'm just going to push it straight in. And just push straight down. I'm not going to do that because I need to place the airway on this manikin. And the same thing for this, and you're done.